Hi, my name is Lara Ramsay, and I'm here to present my final for a project for this class. The first thing to say about it is that it runs on Canvas. Canvas is a learning management tool, so the student will have to log on Canvas with their email and password that once they register into the class will provide them an email and password. Each student, in my case, are adult students and specifically instructors and educators, because the goal of the class is to teach how to use PowerPoint to design things like posters or video lectures or to create a brochure for live lectures. So it's a kind of using PowerPoint to quickly design something that will result nice to see in a design point of view and efficient for whoever has to make it. When the student logs in, the first page that they see is this with the name of the class. Click on syllabus, and the syllabus will have the instructor name, contacts, the course description, the goal, the learning objectives, and some grading systems. And then I can go back home and view bio about the professor. This is, of course, a mocking professor, some professor of design, I don't know, and with some education background, some interest, some works. And now we get into the real lesson. In the real lesson, there are readings to do, and this is how the reading page looks like. The first reading explains how much efficiency is important for top schools, for higher education. And then I can go back, and then there is an example of an infographic that you can do with PowerPoint. Actually, yep, you can do this with PowerPoint. And then those are the readings. You can go back to home. Then there are videos about design.
Presentations are a powerful communication medium. For more than 20 years, Duarte has developed presentations to launch products, align employees, increase company value, and propel global causes. Along the way, we have discovered 5 simple rules for creating world-changing presentations. The first rule is, treat your audience as king. Your audience deserves to be treated like royalty. Design a presentation that meets their needs and not just yours.
And this is to design a nice PowerPoint presentation. Video tutorial about how to record a PowerPoint presentation. This is for make a video tutorial.
With your PowerPoint presentation open and the add-in toolbar visible at the top, click the record button to launch the presentation. The recording will start paused, and a helpful box appears in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. I really like starting the PowerPoint recordings paused because it allows me to check and make sure that the audio is working properly, and the volume level can be adjusted as needed.
So we saw the readings, we saw the video. This course will be evaluated through the discussions. I mean, discussion is a good way for the professor to give feedback and for the students to have a shared community. The last of the tabs, it will be the assignment. When you click on it, you can actually create, after you created your assignment, you can turn it in any kind of format for the professor to evaluate it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this presentation. Thank you for listening.